welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is Kriti and this is Copenhagen. And let me show you the beauty of Copenhagen, the real beauty of life in Denmark. Look at the sun. In my balcony, the sun will start to come from 10 o'clock, but I can still see it and I'm so happy, so happy. Okay, so this is another a day in my life video. Right now I'm going to my doctor's place. Don't worry, you're fantastically fine. Kriti is fine. My two friends. It's just a routine checkup, so I'm going. But I'm going to talk a little bit about the medical system here in Denmark, how it works. Yeah, so watch the video till the end. It's going to be a very fun day because it's sunny day. The sun is out. So let's go. I'm going to go because it's almost 9:15. I have to go and I have an appointment. Yeah, that's what happens. In Denmark, you really need to take an appointment. And if you're watching the video for the very first time, hi, this is Kriti. I live in Denmark, Copenhagen, and I make videos about life in Denmark. So I hope you hit that subscribe button. It is such a nice weather and you're no longer wearing your winter jacket. I have this thin layer of jacket, but there is there is like a proper wardrobe that you need to have when it comes to all the jackets, all the coats that you need. And during this time I have seen all the girls wearing the trench coat, which I need to buy. So I've almost reached. I'm just walking towards my doctor's place and yeah, I'm on time. One time I actually was a little bit late and it was not a good impression, so I always make sure that I'm reaching 5 even 10 minutes before. Alright, so throughout the video I will share few things about the Danish medical system. So point number 1 is that once you are here, like as an expat, everybody in Denmark actually gets a GP, assigned general physician, whom you contact when anything or everything happens to you. Here's the point number 2. In case of an emergency, you don't call your GP, you directly call the emergency number. So done with the appointment, had my blood test, blood taken, and now I'm going back. Done in like 10 minutes because that's what happens. They have like your appointment, you go on the time, and then it's you. They're taking care of you. Copenhagen is so colorful right now. I bought another thing that I really love in Copenhagen is these. I have spotted so many flowers on my way and it looks so amazing. Alright, so I'm back home and it is officially super hot. I just announced it, super hot. Very happy because you need the sun in life and in Denmark. Okay, what I have bought. So this is something is my favorite. I'm gonna show you what it is. And then I got this ravioli with mushrooms. So that is what I bought. I love cherry tomatoes, so I bought cherry tomatoes. I bought oranges because you really need oranges in the summertime. I bought cauliflower. Then I bought salt. This is the salt I use. I bought artichoke, the packet one, but I really like it. And then I bought some eggs. Okay, so let me show you what it is because I'm super hungry, so I'm gonna eat a little bit of this. One of my favorite sweet thing in Denmark, it's scone. And I just love the raisin one. Okay, it is super delicious. I just can't control. I thought I will eat it with coffee and stuff. And I'm gonna eat it now. I got 4 pieces for 55 kroner. Alright, so let's keep talking about more things about the medical system here in Denmark as an expat point of view, from the expat's point of view. And I'm also very quickly making this ravioli with mushroom and this one, squash. Squash has become my go-to vegetable whenever I'm in rush. I will quickly make it. It takes like 5 to 7 minutes. If you don't know, it's also in the news that there are a lot of shortages of nurses in Denmark. As I said, whatever happens to you, if you are having headache for a long time and you want to connect with your doctor, you call your GP, right? But if your GP says that maybe you need to go for a scan, then you need to connect with a specialist. In that case, that's where the wait starts. That's where it's it can take 2 to 3 months to get an appointment with specialist. If it's an emergency, Denmark does a very good job. Once you are in the system, they will take care of it. Your GP will give the recommendation, and once it is on your profile, because when you call and you say, if you call any specialist, okay, and you say, hey, I want to do a scan, just for an example, they will always check if it is under your CPR number and your GP has actually has given the recommendation. In my case, my doctor, my GP is very nice, so like I can go for regular blood tests, and if I have any problem I call her, and she's always like considerate, and I will always get an appointment on the same day or maybe the next day or within a week. I always get to visit, and I have also experienced that anytime I had something like that needed attention, she will call me on the day itself. So let me show you what I'm cooking. This is squash with some garlic, and here is my ravioli being boiled. Alright my friends, so this is what I'm eating, ravioli and some vegetables. It got a little burned because I was focused on making the video, but looks delicious. So let's eat, but let's eat in the balcony. Yeah. Okay, so done with the food. Now I'm gonna make coffee, and I'm gonna make cappuccino with some lactose-free milk and my espresso machine, the new one. Yeah, lactose-free milk. I use this 1.5% of fat. So many latte. And I have to do few things. I would like to do few things. Go to the sauna. I will go to the sauna and maybe do a little bit of running, because I couldn't do any exercise in the mornings. I would want to do that and then go for my open mic. Next thing about Danish healthcare system is that, so the best thing is that, okay, everything is taken care when it comes to, paying anything. It's part of your taxes, so you're not paying anything, at your doctor, like visiting your GP, doing any blood tests, anything, even, like all the things that I spoke about, when you need to visit a specialist for, maybe a scan or sonography and everything is taken care. It's under your CPR number. You don't need to pay anything. But there is a big but, that your dental is not included in that. Feel free to share your experiences also with the Danish medical system. Time for some run. So done with the running, and I'm going to sauna using staircase, and it is hot. It is like one layer. You don't need any jacket, anything. So kind of forgot that I was making the vlog, but it's almost dinner time. Look at this Tata letter box. So happy. 7 o'clock, and look at the sun. Okay, it's crazy. So like one crazy day. I'm cooking fish and some vegetables, and that would be the dinner for today. And then open mic. So it's 8:30 and the sun is still there. That's the beauty of Copenhagen. Springtime and summertime. And when you make a day in my life vlog during these days, it's a long day. So I kind of lost the track in between, so sorry for that. But I hope you like the video. I'm now going for my open mic, and I didn't go in depth about the Danish medical system. Just gave you like a very brief about what happens. Very brief. So hope I'll make maybe in-depth video about it, maybe with somebody else. But whatever I shared, I hope you found it informative. And alright, so I was at 9,999 on Instagram after doing the open mic. I saw, and it is like, oh my god. So I'm gonna refresh the page and see if I hit 10k. 10k, we are